Hi, my name is Colt Turley, and today I'm going to be talking to you about the physics of hitting baseball. There's three main concepts being a successful hitter. One is putting backspin on the ball, two is hitting the sweet spot on the bat, and three is to maximize your mass and acceleration of your swing. To create backspin, the batter has to hit with a down angle to hit the top half of the ball. The hitters are taught to bring the knob straight down. As you can see in the diagram, he brings it straight down from the starting point and hits the top of the ball. This creates backspin because when you hit the top, the ball spins backwards. And this is the shortest and quickest path to the ball. A lot of coaches and players ask, why do you need backspin? Backspin creates a magnet force after you hit the ball. It pushes the ball upwards and outwards. As you can see in the diagram, ball without magnet force has a lot less force acting on it, and the ball with backspin has the magnet force that you can see, and it pushes the ball upwards. And this maximizes your power and how far you can hit the ball. The sweet spot is it. The sweet spot is the special spot on the bat that causes the least amount of vibrations or stinging sensation. When you don't hit the sweet spot, you lose a lot of energy through vibrations, and the energy is lost into the bat. The sweet spot maximizes the energy put into the ball because there's less energy lost when through vibrations. It's very difficult to hit the sweet spot. It's only about within an eighth of an inch, and it's one of the most difficult things in professional sports. In the major leagues, hitters have to hit a ball moving at 90 miles an hour, and they're swinging at about 70 miles an hour, and they have to hit it within that eighth of an inch. This is very difficult. So the best way to maximize the force put into the ball is to use the formula for inertia. The formula is force equals the mass times acceleration. So the faster a hitter can swing a heavier bat, it's going to maximize your power, and it's going to make the ball travel further. If the bat is too heavy, then you're going to lose acceleration. If the bat is too light, you're going to lose mass. So you have to find the bat that's perfect for you. The collision of the bat and the ball. After you hit the ball goes from kinetic energy, it changes to potential energy, and then it goes back to kinetic energy. When you hit it, the ball compresses against the bat, and it changes directions. And when it changes directions, it changes from kinetic energy to potential energy. And then after it's hit, it expands back to its original shape, and it also changes back to kinetic energy once it expands to its original shape. And the forces that are involved with hitting a baseball are about 6,000 to 10,000 pounds. In conclusion, to maximize the force put on the ball, you can use the formula for inertia. Again, the formula is force equals mass times acceleration. Backspin on the ball puts a magnet force under the ball, so the ball is actually working after you hit it. There's work being done to the ball. And hitting the sweet spot reduces the amount of vibrations lost, meaning you're going to get the